Crypto Billionaire 69 coming back at you guys with another in-depth analysis on Dogelon Mars and the overall market. Let's get straight into the charts. Bitcoin is over 100,000, holding steady. Yesterday it was at 102. It's gone up 2,204, and the market cap is just over 2 trillion. Okay, now the overall market cap of all cryptos combined is just at 3.8 trillion. So that means Bitcoin is currently over half of the entire crypto markets. Now, throughout time, we should see other coins like Ethereum and BNB, maybe XRP, maybe some Solana, but some other coins also begin to get up into these trillion-dollar market caps. However, that will take time. In the meantime, Ethereum's almost at 4K. XRP has pumped. It has retraced back down to this 2.38 level. This was a great trade on my behalf. I got in around 80 cents. I sold around those $2.50 areas. I actually traded it for BNB. Yeah, I sold right around here when it started showing a little bit of weakness. Yeah, 250, 260 area. I'm not saying it can't pump anymore, but that's what I did. It was a nice little 3x, so take that gain any day of the week, not get greedy with it. But as I was saying, I transferred to BNB, which is now at 712. It was at 730 when I transferred it into BNB, and then it pumped a little more to these like 750s here, and that was another good percentage trading wise. Dogelon Mars, we'll get into that in a little bit. However, Dogelon Mars is still buy and hold. Solana is at $100 billion market cap, which is crazy. I do think Solana will continue to pump. There's a lot of use case in the Solana blockchain. Very cheap, and it's like a creator economy. People can create stuff on it. It's almost like Ethereum, but cheaper and faster. XRP is more for finance, like financial institutions, banks, and stuff. That's what they're going for. BNB is like Ethereum as well, but I believe it's cheaper and faster as well. Ethereum was just the first mover. That's why it's still holding the second spot. Cardano, same thing. Yeah, there's a bunch of coins that have. I need to do more research into these. There's a bunch of coins that have just popped about it like nowhere. Stacks. Dogelon Mars was at one point up into these 60, I believe. Actually, no, these like 46, I believe. That is around this area is where it topped out at. And yeah, it was beautiful when that happened. But we're seeing multiple $billion market caps with new coins we haven't even seen before. So let's keep our eyes out. But in the meantime, crypto's looking great. I hope everyone's doing good. I hope everyone's having a good month, good week, and a good day. Dogelon Mars, let's refresh this, is currently still. Now let's refresh this. Dogelon Mars is currently. It looks like it dropped below, just slightly below. Hopefully the lion's saved here. Oh, man. I'm not used to these charts. Sorry about that, guys. They used to have a chart on coin market cap where it would do it automatically, but here we go. So we are still hovering just above this main support level. As you can see, that last week we dipped all the way down, caught some support, and then bounced higher. But we are still holding above this support level at the 2293 levels. We want to see it bounce and continue to reverse and break above these 2378 levels in the next few days in order to confirm that it will continue to go higher. That's not full confirmation to full position size in, by any means. A full confirmation would be a break above these top candle wicks here at these 2627 levels, 2640 levels, that little range right there. But it is a good sign if it does break above the top of this wick at the 2380 levels, because it shows that we are bouncing off of support and continuing to move in the upward direction, and that's great. Yeah, if you guys need real-time buy and sell alerts and you guys don't and you don't have time to watch the markets, or you're working or whatever, you don't want to, check out the Patreon. I post real-time buy and sell alerts for Dogelon Mars. And if you want to refine your skills in technical analysis and crypto trading so that you can make extra income every single month. Currently, personally, I'm living off of crypto money right now, which is amazing. I love it. I can do whatever I want. I don't have to go into a job. And yeah, it's amazing. I can go wherever I want, see whoever I want, all from trading crypto. So if you want to learn how I do that, go and check out the course in the description. There's 2 of them down there. One will teach you how to trade a breakout, what to look for, and how to trade it, and how to manage your risk and how to take profits. That one is a little more on the pricey side, but it will teach you exactly the strategy that I use to make an extra income. The other course will teach you how to get out at the top, how to identify a top or like a near top, so that you can get out just kind of how I did on XRP earlier, and Shiba Inu, and countless other ones like Tesla stock. It goes for stocks, crypto, everything. So check it out. It's always good to invest in yourself, and if you don't do it now, then if not now, when? Because we're just getting older, and every single year that goes by, our money is decreasing in value. So if we're not compounding that money as quickly as possible, we will be left behind. But yeah, I will keep my eyes out on the markets for you guys. If you have any questions, if you want me to go over any coins in a later video, please drop them in the comment section so I can know exactly what you want to. That looks so weird. Know exactly what coin I should go over. I'm sure some of you guys are watching this coin here. Market cap is at almost 10 billion. I'm not condoning this coin by any means. I haven't done my research on this. I don't know if the team is good. I don't know how their marketing is. I don't know if there's any whales that can manipulate it if they want to on the flip of a coin. However, this has been a really top gainer. Pretty much the most notable meme coin of this bull run so far is Pepe. Out of nowhere, pops up, $10 billion market cap. And what chain is this on? It is on the Ethereum chain. So, yeah. We're also seeing a lot of Solana coins come out, but most of those are just pump and dumps. Let's go ahead and look up HODL coin. I've never seen these charts, man. She rugged the crap. That's why you can never trust big influencers. This right here. Look what they did. Came out. She got up. Check the market cap. Market cap is what matters in these type of bullshit coins. Came up to a $12 million market cap. And then she sold absolutely everything. Now, I doubt it was herself, but it was the holders and probably the trusts, and you know how it is. She probably had her butt covered, but she definitely walked away with a few $1 million from this, if she paid the team or if she didn't. I don't know, but yeah, this is a perfect example of a rug coin. The market cap is currently at $521,000. So there's $521,000 still holding HODL coin, which is pretty impressive. From a $12 million market cap to 520. So we are seeing some coins pump today. But yeah, like I said, Elon, we just are going to have to watch this support level. We want to see it bounce, continue up to the top of these 2 candles, but candle bodies. And And then once we see that, we can go ahead. Let's use this fib retracement tool and just give a little perspective on what could possibly happen. So swing low to swing high. Let's just go all the way to the top and see where we are. This is previous all-time highs up all the way up here. Right, so technically we haven't even touched the bottom yet, which is a good sign because it still means we're early. Now, if we are more conservative on this, we can go down to here. And we are currently bouncing off or coming close to the 0.786 level, which is this lower Fibonacci. As you can see, we're coming up to it. We haven't quite touched it yet. Okay, if we did touch it, that would be another touch point here, which is a major resistance level, especially seeing now that it's the Fibonacci level. So if we get a break through this and a hold, not a break like this and then a dump, but a break and a hold, and this is a very good sign. What we really want to see is a break through this and then a break through this top here in a short amount of time with a bunch of volume, because that will indicate another move like this will be coming soon. So yeah, let's say it does go up to this level here. That's a 6x. So from this price, this current price, if you put in $100 here, you'll get 600. If you put in 1,000, you'll get 6,000. If you put in 100,000, you'll get 600,000. Just from here to here. And the time frame on that move, I would say, would be the next. It's hard to predict time frames, but all things aside, keep in mind these are weekly candles, so each candlestick is a week. So let's just go ahead and use our historical data here and see. Boom. If we do see a massive influx again, this was 1 week, that was another week. Let's just go ahead and take this line and see. In 2 weeks, if we see a massive influx, we could push all the way up to this level. Okay. And that would be a 4.5x return on investment ROI. So, and on the downside, let's say it doesn't do what we think it's going to do, and it comes all the way back down to these previous lows, which will be a sign to get the heck out. That'd be a negative 30% on your trade. So the risk reward is 30% on the downside and 455% on the upside in the next. If we do see this conservatively, keep in mind this line accounts for 2 weeks in previous data. Okay, but let's go 2 months, right? In the next 2 months, if we see a move that is something similar like this, it will be very nice. And there will be a very nice gain to come out on top with. So yeah, Crypto Bean is 69. If you guys have any questions, if you want to reach out to me, leave a comment or shoot me an email at mycryptomoves@gmail.com, and I will catch you guys in the next one. Peace. Love you guys.